If your website has grown into a messy maze of pages and you're no longer sure what connects to what, this tool is going to feel like a relief. Today, I'm reviewing VisualSitemaps, an AI-powered website architecture and visual sitemap tool that's currently available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Let's break it down fast. VisualSitemaps automatically crawls your website, takes high-resolution screenshots of every page, and turns everything into a clean, interactive visual sitemap. Instead of guessing your site structure, you can actually see it. And now, with AI features added, it doesn't just show your site, it helps you optimize it. Here's what you get: AI-optimized visual sitemaps. The tool analyzes your site structure and highlights pages to keep, pages to merge, pages to remove, pages you should build next. Great for SEO and UX decisions. Website architecture analysis. It uncovers weak internal linking, poor hierarchy content, bloat, missed SEO opportunities perfect for large or growing websites. Visual editing and planning. You can drag and drop pages, group content, add tags, and visually plan site changes without spreadsheets or messy docs. Team collaboration. Export reports as PDF, CSV, or Markdown. Share sitemaps and align your SEO, design, and dev teams faster. Competitor and coverage insights. Compare your site against industry standards and spot missing topics or weak content areas. Right now on AppSumo, Tier 1, $79, up to 1,500 pages, 3 users, 1 AI-optimized map per month. Tier 2, $159, $4,000 pages, 6 users, 15 AI maps per month. Tier 3, $279, $4,000 pages, unlimited users, 30 AI maps. Tier 4, $399, $5,000 pages, unlimited users, 100 AI maps. You also get lifetime access, 60-day money-back guarantee, AppSumo Select Quality Badge. What users are saying: VisualSitemaps currently holds a 4.6 out of 5 rating on AppSumo. There was some recent controversy around grandfathering and AI limits, but the founders responded, and all existing lifetime users were upgraded to the PRO plan. Limits were increased, AI usage clarified as compute-based. Most recent reviews are very positive again. If you deal with website audits, SEO planning, or site restructuring, VisualSitemaps is one of the most practical visual tools I've seen on AppSumo. It's not flashy, it's useful. And with a lifetime deal plus a 60-day refund window, it's a low-risk way to seriously level up how you understand websites. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.